This video will explain how to open your master lock fire safe using a dual key and electronic lock. Follow these simple steps and your safe will be open before you know it. Ready? Here we go. To operate your safe for the first time, you may need to remove the shipping screw located on the inside of the door. Then remove the keys and install batteries. To open your safe, make sure the handle is positioned upward in the horizontal position. Insert the key into the lock. Rotate clockwise to the unlock position and remove the key. Please note, the dual key is a secondary locking feature and can lock out the safe even when the correct code is entered. If left in the unlocked position, the combination can be entered at any time to unlock the safe. Next, locate the owner's manual. A 5-digit factory code will be found on the back. Enter the 5-digit factory code on the keypad. This safe is set to 62044. A green proceed light will indicate the code is correct, and you'll have 4 seconds to rotate the handle downward to the 7 o'clock position and open the door. Be sure to test the code several times with the door in the open position prior to closing and locking your safe to lock your safe. To lock your safe, close the door. Pull the handle upward to the horizontal position. Check the door to ensure the safe is securely locked. For additional how-to videos, please visit masterlock.com.